Hello children! Today we are going to have a beautiful and lovely challenge. San Valentine's Day is coming and we want to decorate the school, the whole of the school, with lots of beautiful love message. We love lots of things, we love lots of people. When we think about love, we don't think about only about romantic love. No, we are not in love with a boy or with a girl. That if you are, excellent, it's your feelings, your emotion. But if not, you love your friends, you love your family, you love pizza, you love a lot of things, yes? So we are going to create beautiful messages of love, yeah? So for this challenge we need a mobile phone, okay? We need a mobile phone. We are going to download an app called typorama. Typorama. We find, and we download typorama. Yes, is this one. Is this one. This direction. Typorama. Yep. Yes. When I can choose an image. We have a lot of images, and we can write also, for example, love. And here we are, different images about love, hearts, etc. Also, if we don't like these images, we can choose our own, and at the bottom we can read, choose your own photo from your camera. If you click on here, you go to your images and you can, for example, I can choose my nephew, okay, my nephew image, for example, okay, I can cancel. But look, we have lots of beautiful images about love, or I can write romantic, or I can write, I don't know, sky, sun, beach, summer, whatever you want to find, yes? For example, I choose this one that I think is very nice, love, or maybe I don't like, I prefer, this is a book with the, yes, can you see the shape of a heart? And now I can choose the different size, bigger, smaller, or whatever. I say the normal size, and I say finish here, and now I can choose the text, the type of text I want to use. Look, here I have the type of text. The type of text, for example, I want to choose. For example, for this one, maybe I like this one. I can choose colors. I can choose color here. Imagine I want green or yellow or whatever. Yeah. And I can write the text. For example, love is like a beautiful reading. Love is like a beautiful reading. Love is like a beautiful reading. And I say finish. I choose another color, pink. Yes, as in my image is a book, I write a text relating to the book. Love is like a beautiful reading. Imagine my image is a lollipop. I can say love is sweet and delicious. Or imagine my image is a baby. Love is like a baby, or smell like a baby. I don't know. Okay? Do you understand? And I can choose the different where I can put the text. When I finish, I say finish. I say share, compartir, share. Yes? Yes. And I can share with different platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. But I want that you can send it. You can save in your image You can send me by mail, say the teacher's mail, you know, pelesa78gmail.com. But please, very important that you write your name. Hello, teacher. I am Paula, or I don't know, whoever. I am Alfred, or I am whatever. I am in class. This is my challenge. I hope you like it. Bye. I love you, teacher. This is very important in the text. Yeah? I love you, teacher. And I say, oh, I love you as well. And you send me. And the size, please, the size. You have different options. Small, medium, large, or really large. Yes? Please, medium or large, no small. Because small, the quality when I print is not good. So medium is okay. Yes? So now I receive it in my, yes, I receive it in my mail. And I can print and I decorate. Yes, I can print it and I can decorate it. Yes, or if you prefer, you can save in your photos, in your roll, in your camera roll, and when you save it, you can send it by mail, as you want, or directly by mail, or save in your camera roll, en vuestra galería, and then you save it, and you send me. So, as you want, as you prefer. Okay, that's all. It's very simple. Bye! I miss you. I love you.